Wow, good surfing on Daddy, James. No, Julia, no hitting.
Maybe a little hitting. You hit yourself, that's okay. That's acceptable.
I've never seen her do that before.
Oh, you're burping Daddy? You want to burp James? Good burping, Julia. Are you burping yourself? Are you burping yourself too, James? Okay. Oh, nice job.
Oh, Julia's going to burp me too. Oh, thank you, Julia. Oh, here we go. Oh, thank you, James. I don't usually get burped on the arm. Okay, that's enough hitting. Don't you want to climb Daddy?
That boat just bit the dust. Oh, James.
Oh, it's so funny, sweetie.
What do you want, James? What are you trying to do?
Why don't you stand him up on you?
Okay, good job standing on me.
You know he's going to stomp you like grapes any moment.
What are you doing up there, James? What's your plan? Yeah, that's right.
James, yeah.
Shirt, James? Pink? Well,
That's red. Okay. Julia, can you bounce? Yay, good bouncing. I'm sure Daddy appreciates it.
No, James, you're gonna break my ribs.